Hi dear friends, welcome to our channel Infinity Learn Mathematics in a Simple Way. In this video we are going to prove one of the most important properties of definite integral on definite integral. So that may be appear in the part E, question number 51 for 6 marks. So let us see the property. What is the property here? Prove that integration of a to b f of x dx is equal to a to b f of integration of a to b f of a plus b minus x dx, and hence evaluate integration of 5 by 6 to 5 by 3 dx divided by 1 plus root tan x. This property has been asked 3 times in the annual examination previously. So that is on June 2014 and June 2015 and July 2019. So let us first we will prove the what property, then we will move on the what solve the what problem on that. Yes, see here, take first to prove the property. See here, take first RHS. For proving the property, take RHS first. That is RHS is equal to, what is the right hand side part? Integration of a to b f of a plus b minus x dx. So this is the what RHS. Now take the substitution, that is put a plus b minus x is equal to what? T. A plus b minus x is equal to what? T, and change the limits when x is equal to when x is equal to when x is equal to a. What is here lower limit? A. Here a is the lower limit. First put the lower limit in this substitution. Here a plus b in the place of x, a plus a minus a will get cancelled. The value of t is what? B. The value of t is what? B. And when x is equal to b, the value of t is will become what? A. The value of t will become what? A. Now once again write here a plus b minus x is equal to t. Differentiate. On differentiating with respect to t, derivative of a 0, derivative of b 0, derivative of x with respect to t is what? Minus dx by dt. Derivative of t with respect to t is what? 1. Now dx is equal to minus dt. Solve for dt. So these things we are using here, that is t is equal to b when x is equal to a, t is equal to b when x is equal to b, t is equal to a. That we are using here in the RHS side part. So see here, that is integration of lower limit when x is equal to a, the value of t will become what? B here. Upper limit is what here? A. When x is equal to b, the value of t is what? A. That is a. Then f of a plus b minus x. What is the substitution of what? A plus b minus x is nothing but t. Write t here. Now dx. Dx means what? Minus dt. Minus dt. So these are the changes will take place after the substitution and changing the limits. On differentiating, we will get the what? Value of dx is what? Minus dt. Yes. Next, see here. Take this minus sign outside of the integral, that is b to a f of t dt. Now applying the second property, that is change of limit property, that is equal to, if you interchange the limits here, b to a and a to b, I am interchanging the limit here. I am taking the upper limit a in the lower side and the lower limit b in the upper side, so that the sign minus sign will goes out. It will become what? Minus, another minus sign. Minus into minus is what? Plus. So here f of t dt. Now applying the first property, in the last step we are applying the what? First property, that is change of variable property. Integration of a to b f of x dx, that is equal to what? LHS. In the last step we have to write again, therefore integration of a to b f of x dx is equal to integration of a to b f of a plus b minus x dx. Hence the what proof. So this is the what the proof of the property. It's very simple. Put a plus b minus x is equal to what t and change the limit. When x is equal to a, the value of t will become what b. When x is equal to b, the value of t will become what a. Then once again write a plus b minus x is equal to what t. On differentiating, derivative of a is 0, derivative of b is 0, minus sign as it is. Derivative of x with respect to t is what? D minus dx by dt. In the right side, t with respect to t is what? 1. So you will get the what? Minus dx by dt is equal to 1, and solve for dx and cross multiply. Dx is equal to what? Minus dt. So come to the what substitution here. First we are changing the what limit here. In the place of lower limit, when we put the x is equal to a, the value of t is what? B, that is b. When we put the x is equal to b in the substitution, the value of t will become what? A. A plus b minus x is what? T, and dx means what? Minus dt. Now take the minus sign outside. Integration of b to a f of t dt. Now interchange the limits, applying the second property, interchanging the limits, that minus sign will goes out, that is a to b f of t dt. Now last we have to apply the what? Change of variable, that is if you change the variable there will be no change in the what? Integral x t to x and dx to what? Dt to what? Dx, that is equal to what? LHS. Therefore integration of a to b f of x dx is exactly equal to what? A plus b f of a plus b minus x dx. Hence the proof of the what? Property. So let us, we will solve the what problem on this. So in your entire NCERT book only we have only one problem, and this problem and this property has been already asked in the what? 3 times in the examination. So I is equal to, see the problem, 5 by 6 to 5 by 3, 1 divided by 1 plus root tan x. So first we have to simplify this one, that is I is equal to 5 by 6 to what? 5 by 3, 1 divided by 1 plus root tan x means what? Root sin x by root cos x. Tan x can be written, this tan x, root tan x can be written what? Root sin x by root cos x. Then after writing this one, take LCM and cross multiply. I is equal to what? Integration of 5 by 6 to what? 5 by 3. Now root cos x, cross multiply. Root cos x plus root sin x as it is, and this denominator cos will go to the what? Numerator. 1 into root cos x is what? Root cos x dx. Now applying the property, what is a here? A means what? 5 by 6, b means what? 5 by 3. F of x change to what? F of a plus b minus x. So here we know that this is equation 1. We know that I is equal to integration of 5 by 6 to 5 by 3 root of cos 5 by 6 5 by 3 minus x divided by root of cos 5 by 6 plus 5 by 3 minus x plus root of sine 5 by 6 plus 5 by 3 minus x dx. So after applying the property, that is x change to, see here, this x change to 5 by 6 plus 5 by 3 minus x, and this x change to 5 by 6 plus 5 by 3 minus x, and this x change to what? 5 by 6 to 5 by 3. Wait a minute. 5 by 6 plus 5 by 3 minus x. Yes. Next, see here. The next step, that is I is equal to, this will become what? I is equal to integration of 5 by 6 to what? 5 by 3 root 5 by 6 plus 5 by 3 means what? 5 by 2. Cos 5 by 2 minus x divided by root of, again here 5 by 6 plus 5 by 3. Simplify 5 by 6 plus 5 by 3, you will get the what? Cos 5 by 2 minus x, cos 5 by 2 minus x plus, and this one again 5 by 6 plus 5 by 3 is nothing but 5 by 2, that is root of sine 5 by 2 minus x dx. Now I is equal to 5 by 6 to 5 by 3 cos 90 minus x is what? Sin x divided by root of cos 90 minus x is what? Sin x plus root of sin 90 minus x is what? Cos x dx. Equation what? 2. Adding equation 1 and 2 we get. Adding equation 1 and 2. Adding equation 1. See here, what is the equation 1 here? So this is our equation 1. This equation, and this is our equation 2. Yes, we are adding equation 1 and 2. Adding equation 1 and equation 2. What is left side here? I, and this is what here? I plus I is what? 2i. Now integration is common here. 5 by 6 and 5 by 3, and denominator of the both the equation. See here, denominator of the both the equation. Denominator is what here? Root cos x plus sin x, or root sin x plus cos x. Both are same. So we are writing here root cos x plus sin x as it is in the denominator. If denominator is same, we have to add the what? Numerator. What is the numerator of equation 1? That is cos x. And what is the numerator of equation 2? Root sin x. Root cos x plus root sin x dx. Cancel it, this one. Then 2i is equal to integration of what? 5 by 6 to what? 5 by 3 dx. 5 by 3 dx. That is, this implies 2i is equal to integration of dx is what? X between the limit 5 by 3, 5 by 6. And 2i is equal to what? Upper limit 5 by 3 minus 5 by 6. 5 by 3 minus 5 by 6. Pause the video and note it up to here. The next step, still it has a 2 more step. See here. Wait a minute. Here, that is, what is the LCM of 3 and 6? LCM of 3 and 6 is what? 6. LCM of 3 and 6 is what? I am writing here. 6 is the LCM. 3 2s are 6, 6 1s are 6. 2 pi minus pi. That is 2i is equal to, then 2i is equal to what? 5 by 6. Then I is equal to what? 5 by 12. So this is the final answer. In this way we have to solve the what? Problem and the proof of the property. Thank you so much for watching my channel. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.